guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm doing a maintenance type vlog. So I get my hair done, I get my nails done, and I do my lashes myself. My hair is by my baby sister. She's so good, but I'm just starting it with a disclaimer. My hair's been like this for a week now. I have chronic dry scalp. Like if I forget to oil my scalp one day, I'm gonna have a crusty scalp. I genuinely think, I mean, I already have dermatitis, but I genuinely think that I've got some kind of like eczema of the scalp, some kind of like psoriasis on my scalp, because it is not normal how dry my scalp is. Don't even look too hard actually. Just know that my little sister's a goat, and I'm not just saying this because she's my little sister. Her braids are just, they're just too good. She's just so good at what she does. Bestie also does my nails. 8 Studio London. Everybody will be linked anyway. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. Anyway, I've got to separate the hair.
Benjamin.
Do I cut it?
To be king. You had me a prince.
Always says that my head is big and hard to braid, but she's finally cracked the
No,
code.
come back anytime you want now.
This is such an unflattering angle. I don't like to get braids. I only get braids when I really want braids. I just don't like spending this long sitting down. And when my sister first used to do my braids, we would be here all night. I would have work in the morning, my eyes would be burning. I think I would fall asleep in the chair sometimes, but I like how they look. I like how she does them. So when I really do want braids, I'll get braids. And I just needed braids. I needed a break from the heat.
I don't think
Just something to tie me over.
Happens all the time.
Guys, so my sister just finished my braids. We're about to boil it. We're now getting content of my hair. It is 11:30 something. I just finished doing my hair. Tomorrow I'm gonna go and get my nails done. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you my braids. I'll get proper clips of it tomorrow, and when my makeup's done. But yeah, my sister, the goat. Hi vlog. So I'm just at my nail tech's house. I'm doing a little bit of makeup because I didn't probably get content with my hair yesterday, so I want to get a little bit of it today. But we are removing my nails. I don't even want to show you them because they look that bad. But I'm gonna get a new set on. I need to finish my makeup. I'm just doing a very quick little beat at my nail tech's house. I want to get a little bit of content today, so I'm just doing a quick little 1-2 beat. Never know what I want. It's like I'm torn. I mean, wants a plain short set because it's just a bit easier to maintain, and again, I'm not gonna have claws like this when they grow out, because I'm like, hi guys, I'm at my nail tech's house. I'm literally at my bestie's house. Like, thanks honey.
I got busted. Secure said my wig is 10.
No, I never. I need more blush, I think, and gloss, because so I'm home and these are the nails. They're so different. Like, I've never got yellow before. Pink or a French is the shades I would go for. But hi vlog. So the last you would have saw, I think I'd either just finished getting my nails done or I was on my way home from getting my nails done. I've got the tiniest bit of eye makeup on, so I just want to remove. I'm now clustered ready. It's at an angle because my desk is here, so I'm looking at my desk. I'm literally painting my eyelash. Turn my fan off now. I don't even need that. I have this angled tweezer which comes in really handy when you want to like mold it all together. I'm gonna put a bit more of this on my lash now. I forgot to say I only did like the end of my lash, like the end of my eye with this, because I didn't want to dry too quick before I reached the next part of my eye. I was gonna layer it up, but do you know what? I'm actually content with this. Run a little bit of black eyeliner underneath the lash line, because with the Primark ones you can kind of see the little clear band that holds the lashes together. But yeah, my camera's flashing red. These are my braids. I don't know if I properly showed you guys. I've tied them up now. My edges have melted off. I've done them about 300 times in this one video alone. But yeah, this is the braid by my sis. So I'm not gonna lie, it's been a couple of days since I wrapped up the last clip of me doing my lashes. I'll be real, my skin, like my chin area, is just the bane of my existence. I was so insecure filming this whole video. Like, I was literally thinking the one like time that I'm getting my hair done, everything done, and I actually need to like live record is when my skin is freaking the heck out. Honestly, my biggest insecurity, I literally have never wanted to wrap up a video so fast in the past couple of clips. But yeah, it's been a couple of days later. My lashes are not as fresh, so just my hair is not as fresh either, but you guys would have seen me doing it in lifetime anyway. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely leave a like, it really helps my channel, and with YouTube pushing out my channel and the algorithm, etc. Yeah, all engagement is much appreciated. I don't know if this is going up on a Monday or a Friday, but I will either see you on Friday or next Monday.